Hi, this is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, which means that all of the products that I'm going to show you today can be purchased in my Stampin' Up! Store. And I'm here with a one simple trick video for you. So as I was working with my Mossy Meadow today, I realized that it was badly in need of being re-inked. So I've got my Mossy Meadow ink refill, and I'm just going to liberally squeeze on a few drops, and then I like a spoon, and I use the back of my spoon and just work the ink into my ink pad, and I'll work it back and forth to make sure that we've got ink all over the ink pad and not just in the center. And you will see the very wet look of those drops disappear, and you'll know, do a test stamping and see if you've added enough ink or whether you need to add a few more drops. I find it's better to add a few drops at a time, and then I don't get my ink pad over inked. And that's it. Close it up and we're ready to go. Thanks for stopping by. Give this video a thumbs up, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell if you'd like to be notified the next time I upload a video. Have a great day. Bye.